Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well in your life and you are improving in your life. So, today, I think fifth video on YouTube channel, and I'm consistent. I'm consistently post a video in a single day. In every day, a single video I post every day. So today I have another topic, another energy, and another confidence. So today is 11th March 2026. The topic is the importance of time management. This is very important topic in every life, for every life, every person's life. Very important. Time management is very important topic for everyone. So we have 15 point as you can see on screen. So today I'm going to cover all the 15 point as per my ability, and I will put my all the effort to cover all the topic properly. So this is my learning phase. As you know, I'm only making this video for myself, not for you guys. So I post video and anytime I can listen my video, and you can find the mistake. I can find the mistake and improve myself. So it will help me to improve myself every day, to make mistake and improve tomorrow. Today I mistake, tomorrow I can improve myself every day. And also I want to be a confident to speaking at any situation, and any conditions. So let's start the first point. What is time management? What is time management? First, uh, I'm going to introduce the topic. What is time management? Time management Time management is the ability to use our time effectively and productively. In today's busy life, managing time is very important for both personal and professional success. So this is the definitions of time management. This is the definition of time management. How you are managing your time every day, and you can improve your productivity by managing your time, because everyone's have 24 hour in a day. So if you want to improve your productivity, so you should know how to manage the time. You should know how to manage the time. So I hope you understood the first first point, and moving forward to the second point. Why is time management important in daily life? Why important? This is also a great question. Why? I mentioned so many points as a question, so I can cover all the. I will cover all. I will give all questions answer properly as per my best. Why is time management important in daily life? So time management is very important because everyone's have 24 hour, and if you can't manage your time, you will waste your 24 hour every day. You will waste your 24 hour. If you manage your time, if you prioritize your work, so you can improve your productivity, you can improve your productivity, you can do more and more work in the less time if you manage your time. So without manage, you will not get more time. If you manage properly, so you will feel you have more time. But you, if you can't manage the time, if you unable to manage the time, so you will feel every day time is very, I have no time. As you will feel same, I have no time. But you, if you manage the time properly, so you will feel one day we have so many time where I have to spend the time. So this is, it will happen if you manage your time properly. If you manage your time properly, so time management is important. uh, every day you have to plan your work. You have to plan your work. You have to be prioritize your work. Without giving priority, you cannot manage the time. So, so lots of work we do in every day, but so many works. Some works are important to do, and some work we can delay. So first, we have to do the important work. We have to do the most important work. So, so it will happen when you prioritize your work. So prioritize your work and manage your time and do the work and increase your productivity with the efficiency. So second point we also covered very clearly. I think it will clear to you the second point. Moving forward to the third point, how does time management help in professional life, not personal life? If you are doing a job in a company, if you are doing a job in a company, so your boss will give lots of work to do at a particular time, because most of the working hour are 8 hour. So if you want to impress your boss, and if you want to get hike in your salary, and if you want to get appraisal in your salary, more appraisal, then you have to be do more and more work. You have to be do more and more work. So when you will do more work, if you have time management quality, if you know how to manage the time, if you can manage the time, then definitely you can do the more work. You can find where is you can write on paper what you did today in 8 hours. So we'll find some gaps, you will find some waste of the time. So you can the next day you can increase the working time and decrease the waste time, so that you can improve, your time, and you can do more work by this is also the time management skill. So everyone's have to be time management skill, because no one have more than 24 hours. Everyone's have 24 hours only, so you have to manage the time. You have to take time to walk, you have to be sleep, you have to take time for sleep. So many things so many things people do in a single day, including their job, dinner, lunch, family time. So many things are there, not only work. So if you manage the time, you can give your time to your family, you can give your time to you can spend time with your friends, you can spend time with your families. If you manage the time, if you can't manage, you will not give time to your family, because you don't know how to manage the time, how to do the job in a particular time. So then, if you manage the time, you can manage your time, so you can impress your boss, and definitely it will help, and you will grow in your professional life. So you can do these to improve your professional life. So this is how you does time management, and you can improve your professional life, and you can learn, you can improve your professional life. So I hope the third point also clear to you, also me. So moving forward to the fourth point, what problem happen when people do not manage time properly? What problem happen? So the main problem happen, your work will not finish, your work will not finish in any time. So if your boss, for example, if your boss give you so many times, but if you don't know how to manage the time, you cannot finish the work in the double and triple time. So this is the problem, and you cannot give the time to your family, to your friends, to your colleagues, and you cannot enjoy with your friends, you cannot enjoy with your family. So this is the main problem happen when you not give time. You cannot manage the time properly. So And one thing I want to add in this line: if you do not manage the time properly, you will not improve in your life, in your professional life, in your work life, or you will not get the good appraisal, you will not get the good salary in your professional life, because you are not able to do the job in your particular time. So they consider you don't know how to work, so they will consider how to do the work, how they will consider you don't know how to do the work. So if you can't manage the time, you will be lost so many things in your life. So you have to be manage your time properly and improve your professional life, improve in your career, improve your working. So that is the 4 point I covered as my point of view. So moving forward to the fifth point, what do you manage how do you manage your time properly? How? So first thing is, you should write in a beginning, you should write you should write uh, on paper, and everything you should write from first day, where you spend and how many time where you spend. So you write on the paper, so definitely you will get a conclusion, and only you work 2 hour effectively, not 8 hour. So remaining 6 hour where you spend, so you will get the data, you spend with your friends, with you spend freely, and you are not done the job in that particular time, because you have 8 hours to work, but you you don't manage your time properly. So that I manage my time, spending before you are spending the time. So moving forward, the sixth point, which is time management in the workplace. So I already discussed, I think all the points are similar and similar to each other. Time management in the workplace. So what is this? I already talk about, if you are manage the time in your work, in your professional life, so you will get the good appraisal, so you can finish the work in a less time. You can finish the work in less time. So you have to manage the time in your workplace, so that your boss will give you the good appraisal as compared to the other, because you know how to manage the time, how to use the time, how to how to increase your productivity by using the time properly. The next point is time management for a student. So if you are a student and you want to increase your percentage, if you want to increase your academic profile, if you want to improve your academic profile, and if you want to get more marks, so you should know the skill time management, because everything is different on time management. If whether you are a student, whether you are a job professional, whatever you are, everyone should know how to manage the time. This is very basic skill. This is very basic skill. In every field, you should know how to manage the time. In every field, in every each and every field, everyone should know how to manage the time, because everyone's have the same time. So the next point is the eighth point is tools for time management. Where is the tool? What is the tool you can use for the time management? For example, you make the to-do list for every day. To-do list for every day, and mark the calendar and reminder, mobile app or planner. You can use the mobile app for the tool, as a tool for the time management. There are so many tools are available, and there are so many apps are available to manage your time. So you can go on Google Play Store and search tools for time app application for the time management. The best thing is make the to-do list every day and work on it, so it will help you to and give the sequence which work is more important. Write the first which one is more important, then second less important, then third less important. So if you categorize like this, so you will find the evening you are done the good job today, and you manage the time, and you have done all the important works, all the important work which you should have to do today. So you will find, and you will find the summary which one is remaining to do, so you can manage to do that time also. So I prefer to make the to-do list. I prefer first thing to make the to-do list. You should make the to-do list every day, and if you complete the first, for example, if you complete the first point from to-do list, so cut the point, then you will get the motivation, you will get the courage, and you will automatically complete the second point. Then if and after cut the point, so you will feel you're doing something, you will feel you are doing something. The next point is prioritize the task. I just earlier I said I talk about prioritize the task. Which task is important? Do the most important task first instead of wasting time on less important work. Very important line and deliver here in front of you. Doing the most important task first instead of wasting time on less important tasks. This is very important line. You should follow this sentence, and because we don't have uh, same important task, each and every one is a same, each and everything are same prioritized work. No, some is most important to be done, some is less important to be done. So first you finish the most important task first, then moving forward to the next important task. If you have time, then you can move forward to the second point. Moving forward to the 10th point, avoiding procrastination. Procrastination is a negative word. If you When we feel the lazy, procrastination is happen there. When you feel the lazy, so avoid the procrastination to complete your all the tasks. Procrastination, you can say that delaying the work. Delaying the work is the procrastination. If you delay the work, it means you are doing the procrastination, and it is very bad things. So good time management helps avoid it. Most of the time you should avoid the procrastination. You should avoid the procrastination. So if you are a good time management, if you have a good time management person, so avoid the procrastination, because it, yeah, directly you will waste you are wasting, because directly you are wasting your time by doing procrastination. Okay. Moving forward to the next point, which is reducing stress. Reducing stress. Reducing stress means if you if you sorry, if you manage your work, if you plan your work, so when your work is planned properly, then you will feel less pressure and stress. So you have to be plan your work with here is also time management skill use, because if you do not complete the work, if you do not do the work, then automatically stress is stress will increase if you delay the work. So the next point is achieving goals faster. Achieving goals faster. People who manage time well can achieve their professional achieve their personal and professional goal quickly. Because if you plan your day properly, plan your day properly, then only you can achieve your goal. Because you know, this is the better. I am the better. I am using my time properly, so I am the only person who can achieve the goal. So you have to manage your goal. You have to be manage your time properly so that you can achieve your goal, personal goal and professional goal also. So moving forward to the next point, which is 13, balance between work and personal life. Balance between work and personal life. So if you can't manage the time, if you don't manage the time, you cannot make the balance between work and personal life. Because you have to separate, you should separate your personal life. If you cannot work, you cannot finish your work, so you will not have the time for your personal. So to separate your to make balance life between work and professional, you have to manage your time properly. The next point is example for your personal life. You can say how time management help you as a planning engineer to track project schedule and deadline. And this is the example. This is my personal example. I'm a planning engineer, so I know how to manage the time to achieve my target, to achieve the project to complete the project on time. So the next one, in conclusion, this is the last point. In conclusion, time management is a very important skill. If we manage our time properly, we can improve our productivity, reduce stress, and achieve the success in your life. So these are the topic which I covered completely as per my skill, as per my knowledge. So the time management of the importance of time management, I think you know how important is the time management in today's life, today's busy life. Everyone is busy, so that is why you should know how to manage the time, how to. This is because this is very competitive era. Everyone is running. So if you can't manage your time, if you do 1 hour work in 2 hours, so uh, you are decreasing your ability. So today uh, today we complete successfully this point. So thank you so much